Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 13. How to promote products on Amazon? In this video, we will see how to promote products on Amazon, step by step. So let's get started. On Google, search for Amazon Affiliate Program. From the search results, select this Amazon.com Associates Central. So this is Amazon Associates official page. From the top right, you can choose your country, then select the language. Then, click on this Sign Up button, and select Create Your Amazon Account, to create a new account. To create an account, fill this form with your name, email, password, re-enter your password and then click on this Create Your Amazon Account button. They have sent an OTP on our given email address or mobile number which we should insert over here. Now go to your email account and copy the OTP. So on the sign in page, enter your email ID and password and click on the sign in button. Then add your mobile number or click on Not Now. Then enter your account information to receive payments and set the main contact for this account, then click Next. Then enter your website and mobile app URL. On left, enter the link of your website and click Add button, then click Next. Now select Yes if your website is for children or No if you don't fulfill these conditions. Next is the profile form in which you need to fill your preferred associate store ID, your website list, a small description about your website. Then select your primary topic and secondary topic, then your preferred items to promote. Choose items that you intend to list on your websites or mobile apps. Select all that interests you. Then choose the type of your website. Then we have traffic and monetization. Select the primary traffic sources for your sites. How do you utilize them to generate income? How do you usually build links? How many unique visitors you get every month? Your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associate Program and how did you know about it? Then fill in the CAPTCHA. You can try the audio one as well. Select the checkbox and click on this Finish button. So now you have successfully applied and they issued you a unique associate ID. Then you can enter your payment and tax information. We'll do that later and go straight to the Amazon Associate page. Here we have quick links to search for product, then earnings overview and summary for this month. Then you can search for your products from here. Enter your product's name and click Go. So now you get all the related products, and for the affiliate link, click on this Get Link arrow button. So this is your full affiliate link and you can shorten it with this option. So this is your short affiliate link to promote. And you can get affiliate link for any product you want to promote. Click on this Get Link button and here you get your link preview. Below we have HTML code for this product link. You need to paste this code into your website. Next is text only tab, and then we have image only option. And the first one was text and image. So this is how you can promote products on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 14. How to do niche research for your Amazon affiliate blog. In that video, we will see how to do niche research for your Amazon affiliate blog, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.